This is a recipe video on how to make broccoli with Nuwave Brio 7QT. First, select preset number 20. The Brio will automatically set to 360 degrees Fahrenheit and 11 minutes. Press Start button and the Brio will start to preheat. During the preheat, season the broccoli with oil, salt, and pepper. After preheating, pull out the tray and pour the broccoli inside. Halfway through the cooking, the Brio will beep 3 times and display shake. Pull out the tray and shake the broccoli thoroughly. Slide the base tray back inside and the Brio will automatically resume cooking. When the countdown finishes, plate the broccoli. The broccoli is ready to serve. Enjoy!
Nuwave, trusted name in home cooking and appliances.